Hello everybody, how are you? Summer Moon Garden here. I'm Lauren. If you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. And it is December, which you would think that in gardening season that would mean things start to slow down a little bit. But I live in the South, so the season is extended a little bit longer, especially compared to those of you up north. And right now is rose buying season, so it hasn't really slowed down for me. You see all this back here? I just got a shipment in from Heirloom Roses, which I'm excited to talk to you about. And then I also got all of this beautiful green stuff back here. I went to Growers Outlet today. They actually close next week, and I really wanted to get in there before they closed because they just have such good deals on everything. And I really wanted to get a bunch of pansies and snapdragons to put up front by where we just had the front porch redone. And the front porch was actually painted this past week. Let me go show you how it looks. All right, so here it is, all painted white and looking beautiful. Super happy with how this turned out. So the goal here is, and why I went to Growers Outlet today, was to get a bunch of snapdragons and pansies to plant under here in this bed. And I'm probably gonna actually extend it out all the way out here if possible. What I've got is I've got a bunch of red tulips in my fridge right now, chilling. And so what I was thinking about doing is planting the white snapdragons here amongst with the red tulips underneath, and then a bunch of purple and blue pansies up front. So that was the idea. And then I got so many of them, I probably should be able to extend it out through here. And so what I'll probably end up doing is putting the red, it's like a darker red snapdragon, and I just could put them along here with some of the blue and purple pansies as well. So I was thinking that would look nice up here. I really wanted it to look bright and cheery. Right now it's not much of anything. We did have to cut back all of the limelight hydrangeas to let the painters have access to the house. We did get the trim recently painted on the house, and it's looking a whole lot better. So all in all, I'm really excited about this project and getting it done, and I'm going to show you the final result. I'm not getting started today. I'm mainly just showing you what I've got out there, but this weekend we'll be working on this project. But let me go show you what I got inside. So here's my heirloom boxes. I do have a few more coming. I'm not sure which ones these are, but we're about to find out. I took advantage of their Black Friday sale, and I was one of the lucky ones that had gotten like the Black Friday sale discount on top of a coupon code discount. I was really, really happy about that. Then they soon realized that they were like a little too discounted, and then they stopped the discount code from working. But some of us got lucky and were able to get a really deep discount. All right, let's see here what we have here. Oh, it looks like we have Awakening and Compassion. Okay, so I got Awakening and Compassion. Both of these are climbing roses. Now in the back, in my rose garden in the back, I had planted Eden and White Eden on some of the trellises or the arbors back there, and they just did not do well at all. And so I am not gonna like wait around for them to just not do well. So I went ahead and purchased these because I know I'm gonna enjoy these, and I know they're gonna do well. Yeah, this is Awakening. And this rose is actually, I found out about this rose through my mother. She has I think it's either 2 or 3 Awakening rose bushes climbing up on a lattice that she has in her backyard. I'm gonna post a picture up here so you can see it. It's absolutely beautiful. And I just have to have it in my garden. There's the other awakening. And then here's Compassion. This rose just is so beautiful. I had to get it. It's just, I love those pinky peach roses. And I feel like Compassion definitely had that going on. So I got a couple of her. So let's see what's in here. Two really beautiful roses. I already have a few of Amazing Grace, but I wanted another because I love it so much. And I've always wanted Antique, and I've never bought it. So I thought, okay, this, I think Antique was like really cheap. It was like $25 or something like that. So I was like, okay, I have to get that. Here's Antique, I think. No, this one's Amazing Grace. Whoops. And here's Antique. I really love Heirloom Roses because their roses grow really healthy and fast in their own root. And before I'm done with this video, I'm actually gonna go over my Palatine order today with you as well. Of course, as I'm driving home from Growers Outlet with all these plants in the back, Palatine goes live. So guess what I do? I pull the car over into a parking lot so I can put all my wish list in the cart and order the roses before they sell out. I think we've got some more roses coming. The FedEx guy is out there delivering something else. All right, here is Impressionist. I got 3 of these because my Colette roses that I put on that larger portion of like the tunnel in the back rose garden, they all died for some reason. So I have these 3 Impressionist roses to replace them with. I love Impressionist. It's gorgeous color. I'll post a picture of a bloom that I took last year because I already have 2 in the back. And so I was like, well, I'm just gonna cover the whole tunnel in Impressionist roses. All right, so that's all I have from Heirloom right now. There are more coming. I think I ordered 8 Bonica roses to go in a sunny spot back there. And then that's it from Heirloom Roses. Gotta give these babies some water. They had a long journey. Okay, y'all just ignore all that junk in the background that you see. Just look at the pretty flowers and act like you don't see all that. As you can tell, a garage cleaning project will be coming up shortly. But here is my list that I was able to secure, all the roses I was able to secure on the Palatine website today. I'm actually really excited. The only one that I wasn't able to get was Amour de Moline. I've been trying several years to get that one, but unfortunately was just unsuccessful. But I am very excited about a couple on here that I have been wanting for several years and was able to get them. The first one was Amorosa. I tried to get that one last year, no luck. I'm so thankful for the Rose Geek group because I was like checking, like seeing comments pop up like you know, make sure everybody is, you know, checking to see if they've gone live yet. And I was able to see someone had posted that they had gone live. So thank you for posting about that, because then I was like, oh, I have to pull the car over and get in there and make my purchase. So I got Amorosa, another Cinderella fairy tale. Y'all know I have one right up here in my front bed. It's absolutely gorgeous. I was like, well, I'm going to get another one since it's, you know, available. So I got Cinderella fairy tale, Centifola variegata. I've never grown that one before, but it's gorgeous. So I'm really excited to try that one out. I also got another Courage. You know me, I think I have 2 or 3 Courage. Maybe it's just 2. I love that bloom. It's gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. So I got another one. And then Forever Rose. This one's new to me as well. I've never grown it before, but it's beautiful. And I was like, I got to try it. The big one that I'm really excited about that I was able to get this year is the Pride. I have been trying for like 3 years to get this rose. So I am super excited that I was able to get the Pride. And then my last one was Wellenspiel. This one's gorgeous. I'm just a sucker for pink. I love pink roses. So I was like, okay, got to give it a try. So, and I have not grown that one either. So yeah, I've got several new roses here on this list. This is actually a pretty small list compared to most years when I buy roses. But as you can see, I mean, there's all of this over here too. So, I mean, there's a lot going on over here. But anyway, so I'm just really excited about that. I was excited to share that with you guys. Today is a pretty big day for rose growers when Palatine opens their website for purchasing roses. And sadly, this is their last year growing roses. I was like so sad when I found out that news. Their quality is just unmatched, and all of my roses from there, you know, they do so well. I've actually won many awards at the Atlanta, the Greater Atlanta Rose Show. A lot of my roses are from Palatine, that I enter for competitions and everything. So I'm super sad to see that they're not growing roses anymore. But there's other good growers too, like Heirloom Roses, and I do like Edmonds. They're pretty good. I'm trying to think off the top of my head. Menagerie Flower Farm is another good one. So there's other ones out there. No, don't fret. There's still plenty to choose from. But when one of the best closes their doors as far as that goes, it's really sad. I don't think they're shutting down everything. They also grow fruit trees. They're still doing that. I think they're just closing the rose portion because it's just getting maybe a little too crazy for them. Who knows? Okay, so it is 48 degrees out here and it is sunny, but it's really windy and it's chilly. So I'm going to call it a day with this video. I can't wait to show you guys this weekend how the front bed turns out. But for now, I'm just going to post this one just because it's fun to talk about heirloom orders and Palatine orders. So definitely list below what you ordered from Palatine. I love to hear about that. I've also been talking and chatting with people in rose groups like Rose Geek, and then I also chat in my own group. I have a summer moon garden Facebook page, so check that out if you are interested. And I can't wait to plant all this in the ground. If it would just warm up just a little bit. I'm freezing cold. So, but I think this weekend's supposed to be a little bit better. I don't know. Either way, I got to get it done and get it in the ground. But not when it's 5 o'clock at night and the sun is going down. So, but I hope you guys have a great night and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, so like a good rose addict, I had to place another order with Palatine, and it's because I'm ordering a rose for my mom for Christmas, and I just happened to tack on a couple more, that I didn't get on the first round, so I thought I'd just tack this little video on at the end of my main video. It's 7 o'clock at night, and I'm in bed right now. But I got Pearl of Niagara. Earth Angel Parfuma is actually from my mom. She loves that rose so much. I got Prosperity and then Sweet Silhouette, which I don't have any of those. Those are going to be all new in my garden, so I'm super excited, especially about Sweet Silhouette. That's a rambling rose, which I'm going to put on the pergola by the pool. On the far end, there's kind of there's a gap where there isn't a bunch of roses on top, and so I wanted to see if I could get that gap kind of covered up. So, all right, so that's it. That is all. I'm not going to buy any more roses. Oh, wait, there was one more rose that I did buy. Elizabeth's in bed with me and she's like laughing because I have an issue. I'm not going to show you. Don't worry. Just chill. I did buy a rose from Grace Rose Farm and it's Evelyn. I am obsessed with Evelyn. I've always loved Evelyn. I have a hard time keeping her alive though. She does well for a little while and then voles like to eat the roots, and I've had issues with David Austin roses and voles. I don't know what it is about David Austin roses, but the voles in my garden love them. So this Evelyn, I'm keeping in a pot, gonna keep it protected, and we'll see how long it lasts in my garden. I'll probably keep her out by the pool. But yeah, so I have one of those coming as well. So yeah, that is it for rose buying. I'm not gonna buy any more. Not gonna happen. Elizabeth's looking at me like, you're such a liar. We'll see though. But as of right now, I'm done. So hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video when I get everything planted out front. Take care. Bye.